Cement manufacturing begins with extracting limestone from massive open quarries.
Explosive charges are installed into drilled blast holes across the limestone wall.
Controlled blasting breaks the limestone formation into transportable rock. At the plant entrance, the limestone enters the crushing system.
The primary jaw crusher reduces large limestone rock into smaller crushed limestone.
Secondary cone crushers further reduce limestone size after primary crushing. Stacker conveyors build large limestone stockpiles for continuous plant operation. Reclaimer systems recover stored limestone and feed it back into production. Accurate feeding systems control the limestone flow entering the raw mill. The vertical roller mill grinds limestone and clay into raw meal powder. Bag filters collect raw meal powder from the grinding airflow.
Compressed air systems mix raw meal powder to maintain uniform chemistry.
Cyclone preheater towers heat raw meal using hot gases from the kiln. Preheated raw meal now enters the rotary kiln for clinker production. Inside the rotary kiln, temperatures exceed 1400 degrees Celsius. The kiln converts raw meal powder into hard clinker nodules.
After cooling, clinker is transported to storage before final grinding.
Small amounts of gypsum are added to control the cement setting reaction. The grinding mill transforms clinker and gypsum into fine cement powder. Dynamic separators classify cement particles by size using centrifugal force.
Coarse cement particles fall through the steel return chute and travel along a short return conveyor that carries the coarse particles back toward the cement grinding ball mill.
Bag filters capture finished cement powder from the airstream.
Finished cement powder is stored in large silos before packaging.
Pneumatic pipelines transport cement powder toward bulk loading stations.
Both cement tankers transport finished cement directly to construction and concrete plants.
Bucket elevators lift cement powder into packing plant storage hoppers. Rotary packing machines rapidly fill cement bags with precise weight control. Finished cement bags are stacked and wrapped for safe transport. Automated palletizers organize cement bags into stable pallet loads. Warehouses store large quantities of cement bags before delivery. Loaded trucks distribute cement to construction suppliers and job sites. Concrete batching plants store cement powder inside tall silos before mixing. Water activates the cement and begins the concrete hydration reaction. Rotating mixer trucks keep fresh concrete workable during transport.
Keep it coming. Watch this up top.
Concrete gains strength slowly during the curing process. Reinforced concrete columns carry the weight of the structure above.
Cement produced in the factory ultimately becomes the structural backbone of modern infrastructure. Reinforced concrete frames dominate the urban landscape. Cement-based concrete is the primary structural material used in modern infrastructure.